Veterans, in this video, we're covering how the VA rating actually work, how COLA changes your check, why most veterans get stuck at 70 and 90%, and the exact system to push to that 100%. Stay with me because if you're stuck there right now, this video could change your life and push you to where you need to be. If you're new here, my name is Ruben Gaimel. I'm the CEO of VA Claims Made Easy. I'm a combat veteran that has been through the same process that you're going through, and now I use my experience to help you get through it faster because I know what it feels like when you're stuck, lost, confused, trying to traverse the complexity of the VA system. The smartest people on this planet are people who learn from other people's mistakes, not from theirs. I will prevent that, and you will prevent that by watching this video. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. Most veterans never hear this. You're not stuck because the VA hates you. You're stuck because the system is designed to confuse you and you haven't done enough work to educate yourself to get past of it. That's all it is. 3 lies that keep veterans from winning. Lie number 1, I don't deserve it. Lie number 2, it's too confusing. Lie number 3, denials is final. Lie number 1, I don't deserve it. I hear this every single week. I didn't deploy, I still work. I don't want to take benefits from someone else. Come on, stop right there. The VA system is not a charity, it's a contract. You raise your hands, you raise your right hand actually, you earned it. You getting the benefits doesn't take it from anyone else. The government literally have these programs established to take care of veterans. And they have billions of dollars at their disposal. If you think about it like this, and I'm not trying to convince anyone here, I'm just trying to give you straight facts. The veteran population is the smallest population in the United States. Out of 335 million people in the US, less than 5% of those are veterans or have served. And even less than that, like less than 1%, look it up, do the math, will actually get their benefits or actually even file their claim. That small percentage out of 335 million people, about 20 to 26 millions are veterans, and then about 1 to 3 million actually get their benefits. You watching this video, thinking about filing, even if you get 100%, nothing is going to affect the economy. It's not going to take nothing away from the next guy and the next veterans. You are going to be able to help your family create that foundation that you need so you can go on to do bigger, better things. So you need to get that mindset shift immediately when it comes to filing your claim. You deserve it. Lie number 2, it's too confusing. Yes, it's confusing. But why most veterans give up is the form, the exam, the denials. But confusion doesn't mean it's impossible. You ran missions in combat zones, or if you didn't, you had a task every single day when you were serving. You can do this as well too. You just need to understand what the task at hand is and how to get there. That's why it's very essential you binge watch my videos because I break everything down into tactical, actionable plan that you can literally implement as soon as you watch the video. And I'm going to be doing the same for this one as well. Lie number 3, denial is final. This one kills me, right? Or I probably shouldn't say that word. This one unalives me. Denials is not defeat. Denial is data. I want you to say that, repeat that in your head. Denial is not defeat. Denial is data. Denial tells you what you were missing and what you need to do. You need to file an appeal. You need to go secondary. All of those comes through your denial and then let you know exactly the next strategy for you to get that 100% PNT. 87% of veterans are underrated in this country. 87% of veterans. Not denial completely, just not rated high enough. That's where you probably are if you're watching this video. And I'm telling you right now, you don't have to stay there. It's a choice. You have that choice. You just need to get the right information and the right steps. And honestly, I've been there. I've been stuck before because I didn't have the right information. But, you know, it's 2025. All the information is accessible. Whether it's by you watching all these YouTube videos that I create, or simply going on Google or ChatGPT, the information is accessible, guys. You can get them. So let's get into a tactical plan that you can start using. This is where most YouTubers are going to stop. They talk about COLA increase and pay charts or eligibility, but none of that gets you unstuck. What gets you unstuck is a system. I call this system the SEM method: strategy, evidence, mastery. Strategy: don't file random claims. Don't shotgun everything at once. Have a plan. Prioritize high value claims. If you want to know what high value claims is, I've created another video on that. Go take a look at it, and it will let you know exactly what high value claims are, what secondary claims are, how to utilize the two. But prioritize high value claims that actually move the VA map. Map secondaries. Sequence your filing. Most veterans file everything at once. Do not do this, because this is going to get you denied across the board. That's like rushing to a target with no plan. We don't operate that way. We have strategy, we execute. So plan, file, win, repeat. That's the strategy here. Evidence. You can't win without evidence. This is literally the VA language. This is how they know you're being serious and you are legitimate. Diagnosis, nexus, severity. I've created a video that breaks all of this down. Go check a look at that as well too, so you can learn what I'm talking about. If you don't have all three of those, you are stuck. You're stalled. So what is good evidence? Good evidence is medical records, DBQs, nexus letters, logs of your day-to-day life. Write it down, show patterns, show frequency, intensity, and duration. Combine it all to, if you're missing something, go get it. Don't guess. Don't hope that the VA fills in the blank, because they're not. They're going to just exit out, and you're going to be one step closer to that 100% PNT. Next is mastery. Mastery of what? Mastery of the CMP exam. I've created an in-depth video on what you should do for your CMP exam. Go take a look at that video. It's going to help you guys a lot. But this one breaks veterans down. You show up, you minimize your symptoms, you tough it out, and then you get cooked. The CMP is not about showing strength. It's about showing reality on your worst day and bringing concrete evidence there. Describe your worst day, not your best, not your expectation. The truth is specific worst day reality when you're there. If migraine puts you in bed 3 times a week, say that. If you isolate because of anxiety, say that. That's the SEM method: strategy, evidence, and mastery. Simple, but very, very powerful if you use it properly. And once you use it, the VA system starts to bend at your will, and it starts to become your friend instead of being your enemy. The VA is ultimately your friend. You guys are on the same team here. You just got to understand how to speak and communicate. At the end of the day, this is all communication issues. You are speaking a different language, and the VA understands a different language. Now let's get practical. Let's break this down to the claims that actually move your rating. Higher value claims. What are higher value claims? Claims that are more than 30% rating likely. So that will include mental health, PTSD, depression, anxiety, sleep apnea, sleep with a CPAP issue, migraines, respiratory conditions, GERD, IBS, chronic fatigue syndrome, flat feet with functional loss. Those are all high value claims, right? And those are the ones that move the ladder. What are low value claims? Low value claims are tinnitus, hearing loss, motion joint pains, scars. Those are low value claims. They can be used to stack, but you want to prioritize the high value claims and then use the low value claims to stack. Let's say, for example, you're at 90%. The VA math puts you at like 92.5%. Adding 10% tinnitus won't push you to 100%. But if you add sleep apnea, which is 50%, or migraine, which you can get 50% from as well, that can tip the scale into pushing you closer to that 100%. So stop chasing tens, go where the math moves. Like 20% of our action dictates the reality of our life. There are big actions that we can take in life that move the ladder further than all these little different things that we're doing in whatever endeavors you are in, whatever your goals are. In what I do, how I use this is in anything I'm doing, I always ask myself, what is the 1 to 3 actions that I can take that will literally push the ladder and move me closer to my goals? And those are the 3 that I focus on. So you need to implement that same concept when it comes to this, right? Focus on the high value claims. Those are the ones that are going to push you. And then you can use the low value to add on to that. Now let's discuss your COLA, because this is what everyone is interested in. And this is what everyone is talking about. COLA, C-O-L-A, is the cost of living adjustment. It's designed to keep your buying power aligned with inflation. Does that make sense? So in 2023, the COLA was 8.9%. In 2024, it was actually lower. Each year, it changes as you go on. You know, check the va.gov compensation rates if you want to see what it is for the time of you watching this video. But here's the tactical truth. COLA matter, but COLA is not strategy. Your focus shouldn't just be on the yearly bump. It should be on increasing your rating. That's where your changes come, because once you unlock that 100% PNT, it opens the door to every other thing, not just 3% or 8% there, but consistent income for you and your family every single year, every single month. That's tax-free. This should be your main focus. You need to focus on exactly what's going to move the ladder for you. The differences between 90% and 100%, that's thousands of dollars every single month, and generational benefits for your family as well. So don't just watch out for the COLA change and you're stuck at like 70%. Focus on what actually matters, get that 100%, and use it as urgency to get that increase before the next payday hit. So let's discuss commonly mistakes. The common mistakes that I see a lot of veterans make that hurts them is following without strategies, no secondaries, no nexus letters, minimalizing at the CMP, not documenting severities, filing everything at once, waiting until the last minute. Like, all of these are going to cook you guys. If you have done any of these, just stop what you're doing right now, recalibrate, and get lined up with your goals and what you need to be doing and the actions that move the ladder. Don't go into this without a plan. That's your purpose. This is your new mission. Treat it as such. So this is the mindset shift I want you guys to hear. I need you to hear me clearly, right? You're not begging. You're not asking for charity. This is what you have earned. You don't walk into a mission hoping for luck. You walk in with intel, logistic, and purpose and a plan. Your intel is strategy. Your logistic is evidence. And your plan is the truth about the CMP and how you execute. This is how you win. The VA system is gamified. Learn the rules so you can play the game and win big. This is one of the reasons why I built the VA Claims Made Easy app, so that we can give you guys all the information and the implementation in one spot and get you through this process as fast as possible without having to go and read all the books and learn all the manuals like I did in order for me to get there. We simplify, no gatekeeping, straight for you. So click the link in my description, sign up for the app, and get one step closer to getting that 100% PNT. With that being said, guys, my name is Ruben Gaima. I am the CEO of VA Claims Made Easy. If this video brought you value, you know what I need you to do. I need you to like it and share it with someone you know is going to bring value to as well. And take a look at these other videos, because it's going to do just as much. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.